morning, guys.
Hey!
How are we feeling?
I'm feeling so sleepy. I'm tired, but we're gonna get our free breakfast.
Free breakfast. We're very excited. We're about to show y'all what this free breakfast actually includes, because the hopes are not high. Where would the free breakfast be in the restaurant? Okay.
Oh, this is really
We're en route. Let me show you the restaurant. Let me show you the hotel. Hold on.
The sun hasn't risen yet.
The sun hasn't risen. And by the way, guys, this is a 4-star hotel. Had good reviews, and it's a really good place to see the lights, which we saw last night. But we'll put you on a breakfast about that. This is the restaurant. And they're not here yet.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's more than just bread and butter. It's
Oh no, we're lit, Tiff. There's fruit. I need to focus.
Vlog, we are so happy right now. You don't know the highlight.
Is this alcohol? No, that's This is a delicacy episode. Alright, let's sit down. Let's get cozy. Good morning, guys. Day 5.
Another protein bar.
Day 5 of pantry food. Dry goods. Although this morning we had a very good breakfast. The hotel did include breakfast, and it was like a real breakfast. I had oats, just had eggs,
bacon, sausage, bread,
juice, like a smoothie juice thing.
skyr.
Oh yeah. Tiff, please give a review of the Northern Lights last night.
Oh, I feel like the vlog can't do it justice.
I did not even vlog the Northern Lights, guys, because one, the camera couldn't pick up anything because it was pitch black, and I tried, but the camera just wasn't picking it up. We do have some footage on everyone's iPhones that I'll include in the video after this, but
you can't describe it.
you can't. It's one of those things where when people say you just have to experience it to understand, I would say that you have to just be there to experience it, and then you can understand.
I feel like the pictures won't even do it justice because it's so much more vast. Like
Yeah.
It's huge and you feel so small, and then the pictures, like, they're beautiful, but
They don't do it any justice. And guys, as crazy as this sounds, the lights were like a little bit peaking prior to midnight, right? Why at midnight did it go crazy?
birthday!
And Tiff and Bro and Dee sung me happy birthday under the Northern Lights. That was the greatest way to bring it back. I think that is my best birthday to this date.
Beautiful.
26 today. Yeah, man, February 6th. Big up all the February 6ers watching this. Big up Bob Marley, because I am birthday today.
Big up Bob Marley.
But yeah, man, the lights was just, I think, again, like Tiff said last night, a bucket list item.
Yeah.
On top of the lagoon. But this beat the lagoon by far.
Yeah.
And I am going to include after this the proposal, like just a little sneak peek of the proposal, because he did propose.
Yes.
We did not have to go to plan B, which was so good. And
that was beautiful.
it was so beautiful. It was so powerful, so passionate, so well thought out. So much love in the air.
Our little hands off trying to...
Just to get the
We
footage.
were waiting on him for so long.
Oh my gosh. There's so many times we thought he was going to do it, and then he didn't do it, and we were like...
Yeah. Our hands are stinging because we were there ready with the camera.
All the time. And the man was, of course I'm nervous and thing, but he finally did it towards the end. Just stopped to get some food. It's about to be my little birthday lunch ting. So we stopped at a place called Vegan World Peace. It's in a very cute part of town. I'm gonna show you the menu real quick, and then I'll decide what I want, and then give y'all a little review of the taste. So this is vegan world peace. We're in a different part of Reykjavik today, so let's go inside. Hey guys, so quick update. I just had the burger. 0 out of 10. It was mushy, it was oily, the fries were salty. The fries are also very, very oily. I don't know if the other food options are better, but that specific burger I got, it was chickpea based and mushroom based, but there was no foundation, like there was no density to it. It was just mush. So it wasn't good. 0 out of 10. Would not recommend vegan world peace. But I do think Mama's was good and worth it. So my overall review is in Reykjavik. So far only one good vegan spot.
Just around that.
In a random town, nobody's open, nobody sells food.
There's a hot dog stand, but it has bad reviews.
It might be like a soup
You mess
kitchen
up hot
around
dogs.
here. I think we're going to the soup kitchen.
We need donations.
What's this place? Like a grocery store or something?
The only one in the whole town.
They're locked. Chairs are on the table.
What did this car say for then?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, the supermarket is closed.
It is locked. No, there's a dude in it.
Oh,
There's a dude.
so our only option is the supermarket?
Yeah,
Well,
fuck it.
bro,
Whatever.
that's better than nothing.
When in Rome?
Made it to a random supermarket. Our only option for food.
Donuts for lunch? Which donuts?
Donuts for dinner?
It's really come to donuts
for lunch, bro.
for lunch.
Jam.
You know what the trick is? Just put on the same face. So the whole thing is like if you want people to take you seriously, you gotta have a face like this.
That's the locals now. You need a shot book?
Oh, at least they made the ginger stuff. It's a new tactic.
Yeah. Just everyone's smiling.
They're gonna be like, what's wrong with them?
They got a whole cake.
Imagine this was your only supermarket tip.
Survive on all this bread. You know, this is not a bad life. I could do it.
You could do it.
I could do it. This is my life now.
This is what it's come down to.
Oh, this is a nice cheese box.
Wait, why does David have This is what it's come to, guys. I bet.
I know why the
that's what
cheese.
they said.
It looks even sadder on video.
Let me show them your lunch.
Ours is gourmet. It's in the back.
This is what it's come to.
I should have just pulled out my
Happy
whole
almost 26th birthday. Whoop whoop.
You get some
gourmet cuisine.
Lunch.
See the creation. Wow.
This is not good.
Pretty much.
Worst struggle meal since college. When one time in college, just ate peanut butter.
Or you could always come to the dock side.